guys, welcome to Cole's channel. He let me do some channels on his computer, so I'm going to be doing one today, and he's right there.
She might be a little funny, just, I'll be...
So, I'm going to be doing paper airplanes. So, first you have to fold it corner to corner, long way. Remember, you need to...
She's doing the basic.
You need to press forward to make it straight.
Right.
And then we fold it to the side. We fold it to the side.
On the
But
line.
line it up on the lines.
And
If it
crease
goes up,
it.
it's
It's
okay.
called creasing.
Crease it.
That's creasing.
And then we fold this again. And then we fold it like that. And then we fold it again. And then on the other side. Oh, so
She's almost done. Don't worry.
to do that. And then we
One sec, guys. We'll be right back.
put that
One sec, guys. We'll be right back.
that.
One sec, guys. We'll be right back.
So I just finished like this, and now we are gonna flip it over and do this. Flip it over and do this. And then we fold it in half like that.
An airplane. Okay, we'll be right back to do the test.
So that's what it looks like. Comment if you want to subscribe this video. Bye.
Bye, guys.